Good afternoon. My name is Tim Shea. I'm a senior analyst from ARC Advisory Group. We're speaking today with Ron Mcleod, Director of Software Sales and Delivery at Siemens Energy, about some exciting new initiatives they have upcoming in 2014. Ron, welcome today. Thank you for taking your time.
Thank you, Tim. I appreciate it.
Based on the momentum that your company built in 2013, what are some of the key initiatives that will further improve on your value proposition to customers in 2014?
Well, we're doing a number of things, Tim. We're really bolstering up our sales and support organizations and really taking the people and the investment into areas that really affect the customer outcome. We're doing that in a number of geographies as well, too. Our headquarters is located in Houston, Texas, and we've got operations up in Calgary, Alberta, in the oil sands area, then Latin America, Europe, and we have a development center also in Romania, and operations in India, the Middle East, and also Singapore. So you'll recognize those as the major energy hubs in there, and that's where we're focusing our attention on there to bring up our capabilities and ability to influence customer outcomes with our support staff. The other thing that we're doing also is taking all the lessons that we've learned over the years that we've done our projects and taking that into the life cycle into new customers. That way they get the benefit of all of our experience, they get the benefit of all the experience of their peers in the industry as well too. So we're incorporating that know-how, that knowledge, and that experience into our product solutions for our customers. So that's what we're trying to do in these initiatives over the next coming years.
Sounds great. There's been a lot written about the potential of the industrial Internet of Things. How has this affected your business as a whole, and how are you responding with new products and solutions?
Well, the industrial internet is a very fascinating topic. We've discussed that many times here over the last week. It's very fascinating, and it's amazing to think that we've tried to connect 7 billion people across the world today with social media such as Facebook or LinkedIn, Twitter, and those social media platforms. So when we get into the year 2020 and we have to connect 50 billion devices, that's going to be quite a challenge. And I see that challenge in a number of ways. First, we have to have good standards that are adopted across the enterprise and across the industry, which would be quite a challenge. And then the other thing that's really going to be a challenge that everybody gets into is the security aspects of it. Okay, so that'll be a big opportunity for everybody as well too. But the thing what I see also is that the industrial internet or the Internet of Things is still quite young, still quite immature, so there's a lot of development to go through there. But the opportunities that present themselves, such as the huge streams of data that come off all these devices that are interconnected, are going to be fed into analytics to produce useful information that you can take action on and improve your business. So these are the key things that I see really with the industrial internet and the Internet of Things that are really going to bring things together for us.
We all know that the biggest nemesis for all customers is unplanned downtime. What types of products, solutions, and services does your company provide to help your customers avoid unplanned downtime?
Our flagship solution for operations intelligence is XHQ, and we've been in that business with XHQ for over 15 years, and we've done hundreds of projects with hundreds of the largest energy companies in the world. So we're able to take that information that they have across their enterprise and do a number of things with that. The things that we do with XHQ and bringing information together in the form of KPIs or actionable items that they can use to work on their outcome of their business. These actionable items we boil down with the help of the customer and our best practices that we use throughout all of our projects, and we'll be able to create actionable items in the form of KPIs and be able to provide a profound impact on their business. Okay, so our activities in helping with planned downtime it's no more different than if you're driving your car and it breaks alongside the road. That is unplanned downtime, and it's a huge inconvenience. The problem with our industry is that this downtime costs an exceptional amount of money. And so being able to prohibit that with early real-time information so you can take action and be able to prevent those things from happening, or also, on the other hand, to assure that things aren't going to happen unplanned, that's the focus of our software and our solution.
Fantastic. Manufacturers and processors are increasingly depending on their automation suppliers to keep their plants running smoothly through enhanced service offerings. How is your company helping its customers in this regards?
Well, it's interesting. Our solutions do four things for our customers, and we've had a lot of discussion about this over the course of the last couple of days, talking about information accessibility, information visibility. Is it visible? Is it accessible? And then we have a lot of talk about putting information in context. So we make information accessible, we make it visible, we put it in context, but we also put it in a format that you can use. Now, how you use it, whether you're a machine or a human, we put it in either form so you can use it. Context is a very essential thing, because what it needs to do is be able to match up your operating parameters with other business targets that you've been assigned. So for example, if you have a fleet of refiners out there and they all have a little bit different cost structures, it might be more expensive by liter to produce a product with one refinery versus another refinery. And if you have real-time information that goes into that, you can see exactly whether your refining is above market price or below market price. And so you speed up one and shut down the other. So having that real-time information is absolutely essential, and we don't see anybody else that provides that real-time information in context with all your business targets, business goals, and your other business information. We have a lot of folks out there that are doing an excellent job, our automation vendors that collect this data in time series and provide all this technical information is fantastic, and we leverage that and tap into that. And then with all the ERP actions and all the ERP systems that are in the world today, we tap into that and we bring this together almost like a Google mashup so you can make real clear decisions based on factual information.
Great. Thanks, Ron, for your time today.
You're welcome, Tim. Thank you.
Thank you, folks, for viewing our video. Again, we've been speaking to Ron Mcleod, Director of Software, Sales, and Delivery at Siemens Energy. Thanks for viewing. Have a nice day.